What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, as you can tell here, nice and snazzy, not looking too bad. Yeah, looking good. All right, anyways, Florida Native Apparel, my boy Mike down there, local company. He's starting out. He's trying to get big as well. Love the brand, love what it represents. So met him at the gun show of all places. I like guns, he likes guns. We both like this stuff. Started talking to him. He needed a couple things done to his truck, so he dropped it off. We're going to be working together on a lot of different projects, but let's go ahead and get started with his. So what we got here is a beautiful 1500 GMC. I think it's like a 2011, but two-wheel drive, so we're just looking to add a little height to the front end and then put a Flowmaster exhaust on there and make it a little bit louder. So big shout out to his company, FLNativeApparel.com. Guys, make sure you go on there. They've got all kind of hats out right now, shirts. I know that they're starting to get larger as well, different things coming out, but for now this is where they're at, so go check them out. Mention Eddie's Garage. I'm sure he'll absolutely take care of you, but in the meantime, let's go ahead and get started on this thing. Alright, so here we are, got the strut out. All he's getting is really a 2-inch puck that goes on top of it, so we'll got a strut right here in Kyle's hand, looks nice and pretty. These are the pucks that are going to go on right on top of that. Woo. So we'll get that slapped on, get that strut back together and back in place. Alright, so here we are. Strut put back in, puck on top, nice and snazzy. Kyle's slapping the wheel on real quick. Up top, got the new bolts in somewhere back here, right around there-ish. So, good to go. Now we'll go ahead and do the other side and test her out and see if she looks a little taller. Alright, left side puck in. Went a lot faster. Let's get this up and take her back. Yeah, she's definitely taller. Definitely sits a lot better. No better good right there, leveled out. And a bad kit. Alright, so I got the front done. He also dropped off a Flowmaster bolt-on kit. We'll see how bolt-on it is. Wifey here is going to do all the work, and I'm going to sit back and hang out and enjoy. So we'll see what comes out of this. Alright, boys and girls, so here we are. The 2-inch puck on this thing came out sick. We didn't get a chance to do the exhaust. Unfortunately, the kit they came with needs some welded hangers, and we didn't have that ability to do it. So we're going to get that put on soon, but we're going to go ahead and end it for now. But again, guys, please, please, please make sure to go to FLNativeApparel.com. Hook my boy Mike up, start buying, especially if you were from Florida, originated from Florida, or just love Florida, guys. Get that merch, guys. And again, mention Eddie's Garage, and I'm sure Mike will take care of you. But other than that, guys, it's going to wrap us up for the day. Always remember to stress less and enjoy life. We'll see you guys.